Welcome to my channel. This video marks the beginning of our new playlist focused on VPNs with built-in servers and support for UDP and other protocols. In this first episode, we'll explore the different settings of IP Tunnel, a VPN known for its secure connections, fast speeds, and versatile protocol support. Don't forget to follow my blog for detailed tutorials, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Let's get started. First, download the IP Tunnel app. Open the Google Play Store and type IP Tunnel in the search bar. When the search results appear, click on the IP Tunnel app and proceed to download it. The download might take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once the app is downloaded, launch it. You will be directed to the home screen where you'll see a prompt to update the VPN configuration. Click on this prompt to update the configuration settings. Step 3. On the home screen, you'll notice two sections, one for selecting a server and another for choosing the connection type. First, select any server from the list that suits your preference and click on it. Then move to the connection section where you can choose the type you want to use, such as UDP, Hysteria, custom configuration, import configuration, or others. In upcoming videos, I will provide detailed guidance on how to use custom connection types with this VPN. Next, let's delve into some additional important settings. On the bottom right of the screen, click on More Settings. This action will open a new window showcasing various features that IP Tunnel offers. Here you can check your IP address, measure the speed of your internet connection, and most importantly, share the VPN internet connection with other mobile devices or laptops. Once you have configured all the settings, click on the large Connect button to start the VPN connection. To ensure the connection is successful, you can check the connection log. And that's it. You are now connected to IP Tunnel VPN. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for the next video in this series where we'll dive deeper into using custom connection types with IP Tunnel. Thank you for watching.